Hello, today I'm going to be going over some Python code that's going to demo how we can record sound, and then from that sound I'm going to determine what the dominant frequency is, and then I'm going to plot the frequency over time. So here I have this website. At this website, it's a tone generator. I'm going to have this 20 kilohertz sound playing, and then I'm going to run the program. So here, as you can see, here's just a figure of the frequency versus time. And then on top of that, we also log the data in a CSV file. So here's the peak amplitude, the frequency, and then the time that it occurred. And so here's all the data that we're going to be using for our computation and analysis.